This screencast will cover how to complete a VoiceThread activity. In this case, I will go over how to complete an activity that is creating a new VoiceThread presentation. In your course, you will look for the VoiceThread icon and the link that's underlying next to it. When you click on that, Blackboard will connect with VoiceThread automatically. You do not need to click any of the launch buttons or anything there on the screen. Just give it a chance and VoiceThread will launch. From here, read the instructions from your instructor about what to do. For example, how many slides you should create, what type of comments you should add. I have created several VoiceThreads before, so I have a number of choices down here. However, if you're new to VoiceThread, you may not see anything here. Anytime you want to create a new VoiceThread, you simply click on the Create New VoiceThread box. There are three main steps in creating a VoiceThread. One is adding the media to create the slides. The second is commenting on each slide, and the third step is sharing the VoiceThread presentation with your class. So let's start at the beginning. To create a slide, I go into this middle part and I click on Add Media. I can add media from my computer, from different media sources. If I click here, you'll see that one of the media sources that you can add from is Google Drive. So if you have files in a Google Drive account, you could click on that file and it will upload into VoiceThread. I can also do an audio recording here. I can do a webcam photo or even a webcam video. The main area people tend to upload info from is my computer. So let me go into that. I often will upload a picture of some sort into VoiceThread. So let me do a sample picture here for you. I'll pick this one on dialogue. When I click open, VoiceThread is going to begin loading the image. While it's doing that, I will give my VoiceThread a title. And as you see, it has changed up here to show my title. I can also always edit the title from here if need be. For each new slide, I simply click on the Add Media button and I can add as many items as I want. If I had uploaded a file, let's just show that real quickly. Let's see, I want to find a file with more than one page. If I have a file that has more than one page, VoiceThread is going to upload that as one slide for each page in my document. So if you are doing a VoiceThread presentation and you want to share a PowerPoint presentation in VoiceThread, VoiceThread will create a slide in here for each slide in your PowerPoint. The same thing with a document. As you can see, I had 2 pages, so I now have 2 slides. So I've done my first part, which is adding the media. The second piece is on each slide, I go in and I make a comment. There is a central commenting button right down here. When I click on that, I get my choices: text, phoning in a comment, audio, video, or uploading from another source. If I do a sample text comment, I type in my text into the box and I click Save. VoiceThread will then add my text comment along with a thumbnail image or initials over here on the side. If I want to edit it, I can do that here with the pencil comment or the pencil icon. I can delete it with the trash can. I can reply to someone else's comment with this arrow, and I can make my comment, the font, larger or smaller here. If I would like to make this box bigger when I am viewing a comment, I simply click on these lines here in the corner and I can expand this window. So that's a sample text comment. I encourage you to use the audio and video function. Each time you do that, you will get a countdown. Hi, this is a sample VoiceThread audio comment. You will also get the opportunity to click on the pencil and use the doodle tool. This only comes with audio and video. When I stop recording, VoiceThread will upload the comment and then let me hear it. Hi, this is a sample VoiceThread audio comment. You will also get the opportunity to click on the pencil and use the doodle tool. This only comes with audio and video. When I stop this here, I can either save it or cancel it. So let me save it for now. When I am done making comments on all of my slides, I come up to this X in the upper right corner, I X out, and then when you have been given an assignment, you click on the Submit Assignment. This is very important. If you do not do this, your assignment will not be included. And then if your instructor has asked you to do so, click and Share with Class. VoiceThread opens in its own window, so to return to the course, come back up and go back into your course. And that's the basics of doing a VoiceThread creation activity.